Are you making these common grammar mistakes? Don't worry, even native speakers do. But today I'll show you how you can fix them and sound more confident in English. Stay until the end so you can do the quiz and test yourself. Number 1. Your versus your. Your book is on the table. Possession. It belongs to you. You're going to love this movie. You are going to love this movie. Is this your phone? Incorrect. It should be your phone. Why is this confusing? Your and your sound exactly the same, but their meanings are completely different. Your is a possessive adjective, meaning it shows possession, who owns something. Your bag is on the chair. Your is a contraction of you are. It's used to describe a state or action. You're late again. How to fix it? A simple trick. Try replacing your with you are. If the sentence still makes sense, it's correct. If it doesn't, use your. Number 2. There. There is a book on the table. Place. This is their house. Possession. It belongs to them. They're coming to the party. They are coming. Why is this confusing? These 3 words are homophones. They sound the same, but they have different meanings. There refers to a place. We will meet you there. There is a possessive adjective. It shows possession. Their car is red. There is a contraction of they are. They're my best friends. They are my best friends. How to fix it? If you're unsure, try replacing there with they are. If it works, you got the right one. If not, check if it's talking about a place or possession. They're going to put their bags over there. Versus its. Dog wagged its tail. It shows possession. It's raining today. It is raining today. Why is this confusing? Many people assume apostrophe plus s is a possession, but in this case it doesn't. It is a contraction of it is or it has. It is a possessive adjective, meaning it belongs to it. How to fix it? Simple trick. If you can replace its with it is, it's correct. If not, use its for possession. The company lost its reputation. The company lost its reputation. Number 4. Affect versus affect. The weather affects my mood. Affect, action. The new law had a big effect on society. Affect, result. Why is this confusing? Affect and effect sound similar, but they have a different role in a sentence. Affect is a verb, an action. It means to influence something. The news affected me deeply. Affect is a noun, a thing. It refers to the result of an action. The new law had a positive effect on people. How to fix it? If you're describing an action, use affects. A for action. If you're talking about a result, use affect. E for the end result. To or to. I'm going to the store. Direction. This coffee is too hot. Excessive. I want to go too. Also. Why is this confusing? Both words are kind of similar, but they have different meanings. To is a preposition used for direction or purpose. I'm going to work. To is used to mean also or excessive. Too much. This is too expensive. How to fix it? If you mean also or excessive, use to with double O. Otherwise, use to. 6. Me or I. Sarah and I went to the park. He gave some presents to Sarah and me. Why is this confusing? Many people think I is always correct, but it's not true. It depends whether it's subject or object in the sentence. Use I when you are the subject, when you do the action. Use me when you are the object, when you receive an action. How to fix it? Remove the other person and see if it still sounds correct. He gave presents to my sister and I. He gave presents to my sister and me. Because you would say he gave presents to me, not he gave presents to I. Who or whom? Who called you? Who is the subject. To whom should I give this? Whom is the object. Why is this confusing? Many people don't know when to use whom because it sounds kind of old-fashioned, but it's still very important in formal English. Use who when referring to the subject of the sentence, the one performing the action. Use whom when referring to the object, the one receiving the action. How to fix it? Try replacing it with he or him. If he fits, use who. If him fits, use whom. Example, he is the person who won the award because he won the award. To whom should I send this email? Because I should send the email to him. Less or fewer? I have fewer books than you. Countable items. I have less water than you. Uncountable. How to fix it? If you can count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books, use fewer. If you can't, use less. Then or then. These two sound the same, but they have different roles in a sentence. We ate, then we left. Used for time. She's taller than me. Used for comparison. When you compare two things, people, use then. She's faster than me. Double negatives. I don't know nothing. Incorrect. I don't know anything. Correct. How to fix it? English doesn't use double negatives in one sentence. If the verb is in negative form, use anything instead of nothing. Example, she didn't eat anything yesterday. All right, now it's your turn. Let's test your grammar skills. I'll give you a question and you'll have a few seconds to think before I reveal the answer. So let's go. Question 1. Fill in the blank. I think going to love this movie. A. Your. B. Your. Correct answer. B. Your. Many English learners confuse your and your because they sound the same. As we have mentioned before, your is a possessive. It shows that something belongs to you. Your is a contraction of you are. If you can replace your with you are, the sentence is correct. So the answer would be, I think you're going to love this movie. Question 2. Which sentence is correct? He gave the book to my sister and I. He gave the book to my sister and me. Correct answer is B. He gave the book to my sister and me. This is a mistake even native speakers make. The easiest way to figure out is by removing the other person from the sentence. He gave the book to my sister and I. Now let's remove my sister. So he gave the book to I. It doesn't make sense. He gave the book to my sister and me. Remove my sister. He gave the book to me. Sounds correct, right? So the right sentence is he gave the book to my sister and me. Question 3. Choose the right word. She's smarter. Her brother. A. Then. B. Then. Correct answer? Then. Then and then sound similar, but they have different roles in a sentence. Then is used for comparison. Our car is faster than yours. Then is used for time or sequence of events. We went to the mall, then we had lunch. So the correct sentence is, she's smarter than her brother. Question 4. What is wrong with this sentence? I don't have no money. Correct sentence is, I don't have any money. This is a double negative, which is incorrect in standard English. Don't is already negative. No is also negative. Two negatives cancel each other, making the sentence confusing. Use any instead of no in a negative sentence. How did you do? Tell me your score in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss a new lesson. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.